Hey everyone, today we are getting our hands on the brand new 2026 release of VMware Workstation Pro 26H1. Best part, it is now completely free from Broadcom. Let's skip the fluff and dive right into the lab. First things first, look down in the video description and click that official VMware website link. Boom, it brings you right here. Now if you already have a Broadcom account, go ahead and hit login. If not, no worries at all. Let's click register and build one together right now. Type in your primary email address. Complete this quick security verification challenge and smash that next button. Now, keep your eyes on your inbox. Broadcom is sending you a temporary verification code. Got it? Awesome. Grab that code, type it right into this box and click verify and continue. Time to finish up the profile. Fill out this form with your first name, last name, country, and job title. Then create a strong, secure password, type it again to confirm, and hit submit. Look at that, registered successfully. Beautiful. Now that our account is alive and kicking, let's copy that same official link from the description, paste it back into your browser, and hit enter. The system recognizes you and it drops you straight onto the official VMware Workstation Pro download page. Scroll down and pick your flavor, Windows or Linux. For this lab, we are targeting VMware Workstation Pro 26H1 for Windows. Click that version. Now, notice how the agreement checkbox is grayed out? Here's the trick. Click the Terms and Conditions link, scroll all the way from the top down to the bottom, and close that window. Check it out. The checkbox is unlocked. Go ahead and click it. Where's the download icon? It's a little hidden. Scroll the page horizontally to the right, and there it is, our download icon. Click it. Before the download starts, Broadcom needs to verify who you are for trade regulations. Fill out these quick empty fields in the trade compliance form, make sure it's accurate, and hit submit. The page redirects you right back to the download screen. One more time, scroll to the right, click that download icon, and there it goes. Select your target download location on your PC and let that file fly down. Once the download finishes, head over to your downloads folder. Right-click the .exe installer file and select Run as administrator. The installation wizard pops up. We're going to keep this simple and clean, so accept the default paths, click Next, Next, and let it install. And look at that. The icon is sitting pretty right on our desktop. Let's double-click it. VMware Workstation Pro 26H1 is fully installed, completely free, and ready to rock your virtual labs. Until next time, my friends, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.